Today we're going to learn about collage. Here you can see a collage using shapes and paper. They've used scissors to cut out the shapes and they've used glue to glue on the shapes to create a composition or a landscape. What is a collage? A collage is an artwork made by arranging and gluing different materials, like paper and fabric shapes, onto a flat background. Collages can contain geometric and organic shapes, and you can see in this little snail, the circles are geometric, and then everything else looks like it's organic, except for this little bitty triangle. Okay? Basic shapes are circle, circles, squares, rectangles, ovals, and triangles. Parts of a landscape, like the one that you just saw, has a foreground. Everything is bigger on the bottom in the foreground, medium in the middle, and then smaller or tiny on the top. You can see this tree here. These trees here are much smaller than these trees here. Here are some collages by Henry Matisse. You can see he's arranged his shapes. This one is actually called the snail, as you can see up here, by Henry Matisse. And then this other one is called the Kodomas. And you can see that it's all different organic and geometric shapes. When you're creating a collage, you want to start with the background paper, like this purple one I've chose here. You're going to arrange your shapes, okay? So I've arranged my shapes here. Then I've rearranged my shapes here because I really didn't like the way it looked there because you can't see it as much in that light. And then the last step would be to glue your shapes on. Please be able to post on the Padlet when you're finished, and most importantly, have fun. Be sure to watch the shape video if you want, and the mark, paper, scissors video for some inspiration. I can't wait to see your projects.